Hello everyone, welcome to this series of lectures on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the text of this lecture or attempt MCQs related to this topic, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our offline and online classes for UGC NET English, so stay tuned with us. This lecture explores the concept of cliches and their role in language and literature. Cliches, which are expressions deviating from ordinary usage due to their overuse, often evoke a sense of being trite or unoriginal. They can be found in various forms, from foreign phrases to literary echoes, and are commonly employed in everyday language as well as written works. This lecture delves into the origins, impact, and perception of cliches, discussing how they can add familiarity to detract from originality of language and literature. The term cliché has its roots in French, where it initially referred to a stereotype used in printing. Over time, the meaning evolved to encompass expressions that are used extensively to the point of becoming overused and unoriginal. This article examines the nature of clichés, their various forms, and the reasons behind their popularity. Furthermore, it discussed the impact of cliches in both everyday language and literary works. Defining cliches. Cliches are expressions that deviate from ordinary usage, catching attention due to their frequent repetition. They can be words, phrases, or even foreign language terms used in an arch or elegant manner. Some cliches are employed so frequently that they become synonymous with particular themes or sentiments, but this ubiquity may cause them to lose their original charm. In everyday language, cliches serve various functions. They can create a sense of familiarity and comfort, helping to establish a common ground between speakers. However, their excessive use may lead to a lack of originality and creativity in communication. For instance, phrases like "a whole new ballgame" and "lock, stock and barrel" have become cliches due to their overuse. Cliches in literature. In literature, cliches can be found in both prose and poetry. Writers may utilize cliches to evoke specific emotions, but they must be cautious not to let these expressions undermine the uniqueness of their work. The overuse of cliches in literary pieces may result in loss of impact and authenticity. The origins and perceptions of cliches. The prevalence of cliches can be attributed to various factors, including their ease of understanding, repetitive exposure through media and social interactions, and their usefulness in conveying emotions quickly. While some cliches have become so ingrained in language that they are readily accepted, others may be viewed with disdain due to their lack of originality. Cliches as literary echoes. Certain cliches originate from literature itself, often arising from misquotations or popular phrases used by renowned writers. These literary echoes, such as "the cup that cheers," carry a historical significance, but their misuse or misrepresentation may lead to the creation of cliches. Cliches play a significant role in language and literature, serving both as familiar expressions and potential pitfalls for writers. They can be useful tools for communication, but their overuse may compromise the authenticity and impact of written works. Authors must exercise caution when incorporating cliches into their literary creations to strike a balance between evoking emotion and maintaining originality. So this was the discussion on the term cliché. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.